Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add photo in Canva Resume, and it will be a quick step-by-step video for you guys. So here I will search a million of template like resume. Let's search this one, and here we will get a couple of options. So I'll click on resume template and we will get this one, and here you can see we have a couple of options. So I'll click this one, and in here if you want to replace the image with yours one, you can easily do it. Just select this one and then go to your upload file. If you already uploaded your image, you just need to drag and drop in here, and you just need to place it perfectly so it can look quite good for your design. So now you can see how easy the process was. This way you can easily change your image with another person. This is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in a new video with an interesting topic. Again, thanks for watching.